Okay, guys, back with you. So now they've got the soft wall down the Velcro all the way around the camper. So they just want to check their alignment. They've done their best in the down position while they're doing this to get their corner alignment. Really what you're looking at here is the corner of the camper with this line here. So they're going to pop it up, take the wood out, and pop it up. Right now, the only thing that's holding the soft wall in place is the Velcro itself. So now they'll go around and they'll check each corner. They'll check each seam, vertical seam, just making sure that it's going as nice and straight as possible. And that's essentially it. Now, you guys have already got the good fortune that all the holes in the bottom are already there in the soft wall, because you're just putting that soft wall, reusing that old soft wall. So normally what we have to do is we have to melt, poke a hole through with a hot rod to melt it so it doesn't catch, and then start unraveling the nylon on the soft wall on either the outside or inside. So wherever you find those holes on the bottom, all you're going to be doing is drilling through the vertical part of the extrusion here. You'll just be drilling through to put your fasteners back on. Now, this soft wall top would have been put on to the roof when you had the new roof upside down. It's the easiest time to put that soft wall on to the roof, and basically you're just reversing whatever fasteners you're removing. You're just doing that all over again. So now they're going to put the blocks of wood back on. They're satisfied that everything lines up, and now they're going to start fastening in the bottom. So from this point on, it's just they're putting on their corners, the stainless steel corners, the fasteners on the sides, ends, and then they'll do their wiring tie-in, and that is essentially it for the roof install. It takes more time than anything, but that's about all there is to it. So it's still making a few finite adjustments here. So I don't have the procedure with me. So you'll put the stainless steel corner caps on first, right?
No, we burn all the holes.
Oh, you burn all the holes all the way around.
Yeah.
First.
And
yeah.
then Bailey will start drilling them, and then I'll come burn the holes to these.
Right. Okay.
And then she'll drill them, and then we put them on.
Okay. Yeah. So again, you've already got those holes in. If you're able to line those corner caps up with the existing hole, great. If you can't, then I would just bypass it and make new holes. So if you are making new holes, you just need some kind of a poking rod, like a pointer, heat it up and melt through the soft wall all the way through, and then do all your drilling after that. That's it, guys. I hope this helps. Again, it's just more time than anything that this takes. Thanks so much.